What's up guys, Mixed here, back again for another cocktail video, and today's cocktail, or should I say mocktail, is a request from a subscriber, which is the Fanta Fruit Twist slush, and I will show you how to make this mocktail. So it's a blended drink, so get your blender, put some ice. Let's see how this goes, we might need more ice. Alright, let's pour in the Fanta Fruit Twist. Want a high bowl, we might need more ice. Let's blend right into it.
Is that more ice cold?
And let's blend right into it. Well, that's a pain in the ass. Well, there we go. That is the Fanta Fruit Twist slush. How does it taste? I'll give it credit, it's certainly refreshing. Well, that guys is the Fanta Fruit Twist slush. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed, as we will be doing more slushes. Oh god. I should just stick to cocktails, I know that's my better ones. But I will see you guys for our next cocktail video. Cheers.
Well, shit, it's pop that. That can't be the video. How could a Fanta Fruit Twist slush go wrong? This is definitely not taken 2 or 3 attempts.
Clumsy bartender. Do not subscribe to this channel.